Welcome to STS Toolkit, your ultimate library for premium business templates, infographics, and Excel tools. Whether you're looking to future-proof your career or save hours of manual work, we provide over 550-plus professional assets. From the homepage, you can explore our gallery or simply click Log In to start your journey. Enter your credentials for instant access. Head to the gallery to browse over 400 business templates and 1,300-plus infographics. From customer journey maps to financial dashboards, everything is categorized and ready for preview. Once you find the right template, just hit Download. You'll get a fully editable PowerPoint, Word, or Excel file. Change the colors, add your data, and swap the text,